How to remove page access on Facebook. First, open the Facebook. Tap on the profile icon that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option Professional Dashboard. You can access the professional dashboard. Tap on the option Settings. Now you can access the page settings over here. Tap on this option Page Setup. Now tap on this option Page Access that you can see at third. You can add the people or you can also remove them. Find the profile of the person that you want to remove from the Facebook page. Right next to it, you can see the three dots. Tap on it. After that, you'll be able to find the option for remove access. Tap on it, enter the password for security reason. Now that person will be removed. Like this, you'll be able to remove someone from Facebook page. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.